all my friends at work
All your friends.
they said come and or make sure you send us the pictures.
Hi, this is Roma.
Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi.
Aww.
Hello. Are you crying because you're happy to see me?
Yeah.
I know you want the food.
Hi,
right?
pretty girl.
You want the food.
Hi,
So this
pretty
one is
girl.
the female and then the...
You can't have my phone. You can't have my phone. That's silly.
Picture.
So interesting to look at. It's so...
Oh my goodness.
Oh wow.
She's so cute.
Oh, I might be crying a little.
Oh.
She is beautiful.
Oh,
Do you love me?
she's like, I'll just hold you.
Oh, that's so cute.
Can I go in there and look at you?
Sure, yeah.
Just a minute, Journey.
Is he smaller than her?
So they're the same.
I want to kiss her.
I know.
Oh my goodness, she is perfect. She
Her
is
little-
everything I need.
I want to see him.
We have to
They're
take,
every
we
bit
have
as
to take a
big.
selfie together.
Okay.
You can reach it, see?
Their eye cones can open up a little more and they can see a little better. Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Mom, do it again.
It won't hurt you.
Mom, do it again. I want a video.
It doesn't hurt.
Let her do it, Journey.
Oh, I love you.
I feel like she's gonna try to come steal it.
It looks like it.
So should I just let her have it?
You can, yeah, if you want.
You
She
don't
said,
want it,
she
obviously.
said, I see through you.
Okay, I need a selfie though, like this. Can we do it?
Yes. Let's see. Okay.
Forgot
What?
to move her hair. Are you okay?
So cute.
You watch out. Oh, you can go. She's looking at me.
She said, you know what? I think I'm okay with this.
Hi, pretty girl.
Hi. You can kiss us, Daddy.
She is beautiful.
She is. Oh, you're like, well, hello.
I want to go.
Oh. She's like, I'll just hold you.
Yeah.
Here, get a picture of me.
So cute.
What's on the lettuce?
It's like a piece of their like a biscuit. That's like a herbivore
Okay.
biscuit, and then
Okay.
it like it's about the size of like a
Strong.
quarter, but then they get a little crumbly
You are
sometimes.
so strong.
So pretty. Oh,
Hello.
she's so
Crying 'cause
sweet.
you're happy to see me?
Yeah.
I know you want the food.
Hi,
right?
pretty girl.
You want the food.
So this one is the female, and then the she's.
You can't have my phone. You can't have my phone. That's silly.
Hey, what happens, guys?
Yeah, smell it. Oh my goodness. Picture.
So so cute.
Touch it, Daddy. Touch it.
Touch it. Oh my goodness.
So
I'm
sweet.
gonna come in.
I can't.
Please, come in. Me too.
He's like, okay, I get some food now.
This in here. Give me how to.
Want this?
Come
Come
on.
on. You gotta get
Oh,
it.
there.
I want to.
Hold on. There we go.
Oh, that's so
He did
cute.
it. He did it.
Come on.
Can I go in there and look at you?
I need come.
Let her do it.
Scared.
Why?
That was scared.
Let her do it.
No, she's
Journey.
not. Oh, I love you.
I feel like she's gonna try to come steal it.
Looks like it.
So should I just let her have it?
You can, yeah, if you want.
You
She
don't
said,
want it,
She said, I see Journey though.
Can I need a You're so pretty. Oh, you dropped it. You dropped it.
She's gonna get that one out of your cup.
I know. Take it. You're just not quite tall enough. He's not. No, wait.
He's like, I don't see anything.
He says, wait a minute, what?
I know
I don't wear hats.
I
He's
know
that hungry.
hats. Take a bulk, take a bulk.
Oh. It doesn't hurt. Oh my goodness. I can't.
I want to see him. What's his name?
Oh, you can feed him through
What's his
here.
name? Hello. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm not gonna get that close.
Look, Journey.
I love you though.
Look! It's my trap! I touched him! Wait, that's my trap! Ew! That's poop.
Soggy? No, it's just soggy food.
Ew! That's gross!
Also,
I want a cow.
I need one.
I want to see this. I'm not tall enough.
I'm not tall enough.
I gotta help you. Scoot back! Scoot back!
Hi.
Are we allowed to pet them?
Yeah.
Does he feel weird?
Not really.
Wow! Picture of that reindeer.
Hi.
Whenever he comes. Take a picture down. Go, go, go. Take a picture.
Hi, sir.
Sir? How are you, reindeer? That's a reindeer? Hi, reindeer. Hi, sir. Hi, Friday. Does that have a tail?
Hi.
Ah! I want to pet it. I want to touch it. Me too. Nice.
He's like, you don't have food.
Mommy, I did kiss the close your windows.
Yeah, sure as heck you're gonna roll our windows up for that cow. Yes. Look at the donkey though. He's like, right here. Look at her. She's just staring at us. Hi, pretty girl.
Pig coming.
A pig? Oh. Hey.
He's coming.
Just want to come and live with us.
Wow.
Oh, is this the same one? This is the same one that was over there. Say, she wants to come live with us.
Close it.
Well, hello, donkey. Hi.
They're triplets, man.
Do you want to come live with me?
They're triplets. What are they?
Rainbow, look.
Goodness, look at that cow.
Close the windows. Close the windows.
He is beautiful.
Well, hello. Hello.
Open your window, Pumpkin.
Hi, pretty baby. Look at you.
That's llama coming back.
Look at those horns.
Those big horns. Hi, Mama. Hey!
That's alright because I love you.
Oh my God. God.
Close my window now. Ah! He said two.
I didn't even know it was there.
He had two.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna eat
Rainbow. Gonna go down the side. Oh, except the road's dropped off, so we can't. You're so pretty.
Those rainbows.
I'm not opening it.
You have blue eyes like me. And you're white.
Look.
You have grass.
Hi, baby. Yes. You're so precious.
Oh.
There's the camel. No, you can't be a mini food, sis.
I am. You are beautiful.
Are you his mama? Are you the mama?
Are you mama? That camel's just following them.